Today we're here at Oxford Airport. Look at those jets over there. That one over there. Two of them. It's like they're boarding. And we're here to maybe hopefully spot an airplane. Watch an airplane go by. We're on the trail. There's a trail at the end of the runway. And one went over us. I didn't get to film it. So yeah, let's see what we see today. Here's the airport tower. Alright, an airplane's going. It's going to the runway. It's gonna take off.
Taxiing right now?
Taxiing, yeah. Uh-oh, almost fell.
There's a fuel truck over there.
Yeah, oh yeah, here it comes. This is
It's taking off.
Atlantis fuel truck. That's what the fuel is.
It's Atlantic.
Oh, but Atlantic truck. Alright, see that airplane come? There it is. What? It's on the ground for like 2 seconds. Wow. That's probably the same kind of airplane I saw earlier. And there it goes. See if you see another. Oh, this one just landed. Or is it taking off? Guess it landed and takes off. There it goes. Look at those jets over there. There's two of them over there. That's pretty cool. Now we're on the other side of the airport. We got these two over here. These little propeller planes, and the jets are way over there. There's no action as for taking off and landing. But way over there, see that corner of the building that is brand new. They just built that. There used to be a parking lot for these little propeller planes. So, yeah. Let's see. What else is there? Down there is like more airplanes. Way over there. Look at that. It's a hydroelectric power plant. It's huge and it makes a lot of noise. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we also rode our bikes here from, there's a trail that comes, is it far away, like 3 miles away. We rode it all the way over here to this airport. So, thanks for watching. So that blue airplane over there is starting up its engines. You can hear it's got really loud. So we might see a jet take off. Yeah, we're kind of here at the wrong time to see an airplane, or see a lot of them, because they mostly take off in the morning. All the time, 8:30, a jet comes over and wakes me up. It's like every day at 8:30. So, and a lot of jets go over our house. I don't know, they have a plane route to take off. Hold on, can I zoom out? Take off that way, and then they make a left turn, and our house is right over there. Yeah. And we're just waiting here for an airplane, and it's very nice. It's cool out here. It's a nice breeze. It's too windy for the bugs to eat us alive. On the other side, they were eating us alive. It's not.
The buildings are all on the other side.
The buildings were blocking the air. Hopefully this guy will hurry up and take off. The airplane's taxiing now. We're gonna see an airplane take off. Come on, quiet. Wow, that's a big airplane. For this little, it's not that little. For this airport. Yeah. Hey, we're gonna see an airplane, a big jet take off. Hope this stupid thing's not in the way.
You move on to the other side of it.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's over there now. Gosh, that got loud. Here it goes. There it goes. Thanks for watching.